All of this. My own brother out here to kill me for what?
Shut that hole on your face. You can't be coming for what is mine and be calling me your blood. You are an enemy and I will treat you as such.
You're fighting the wrong person. I am not your enemy. You have to be reasonable, Jadike.
Shut up, kid. You flew down from the States to steal what is mine. Over my dead body will I let that happen. Body parts must go down. You are crossing the valley of death. The throne is my birthright. Anybody that dares me will go down.
The throne is mine to keep. I repeat, Ojadike, you are fighting the wrong person. Go and fight the right person.
The throne of Odudu is my birthright. Once you dare me, you must go down. Light her! Diego, see? I see. Let's see how you survive this.
Ojadike, Kimanka imakozo.
Aragwochinti na Yesu.
Kimanka imakozo.
The throne is mine.
All hail the prince. All hail the prince.
I see you all. What is it?
My prince, we do not mean harm at all. We are trying to help you accept your rightful place as the next Igwe of this great kingdom.
I do not need to associate with your fraternity before I can ascend the throne of my fathers. No, I am not interested in that.
I know you do not understand. The rulership and the sovereignty of this kingdom is solely in the hands of this fraternity.
No.
Without this fraternity, there cannot be kingship.
That's what you think, and that was then. It's a new era. I want to abolish all those bullshit. It can't work with me. It ended in my father's reign. So please, Know this and know peace. Step back and stop all your fetish activities. And do not try to battle me, because the end will be disastrous.
My prince, now we are trying to use peace as a means of letting you understand what you must do. Otherwise, you may not like the consequences. Yes.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
All hail the prince.
Ahoo! Ahoo! Ahoo!
mmadụ agbala ka ibe ya agbala ka ibe ya agbala ka ibe ya mmiri dọ na-eju n'ọnụma nkịta oke kọlụ ngwele nwa mmiri ọkọ kọkọ oke Destiny is about to take its course. The reign of evil shall be abolished. Gods of our land, arise and take back your kingdom. Abalakibeya! Abalakibeya! Abalakibeya!
All hail each other.
Ahum! 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 Igwe Maduka, your fate has been sealed by the great Titan, Ijele. Your crossover is near. Prepare your son for his declaration to the great Titan, Ijele.
Grandmaster, my son doesn't seem to be interested in the crown. You have been so stubborn lately. I don't know what else to do.
Igwe Maduka, should your son refuse to comply, then the throne, the crown shall leave your household, resting on the hand of another.
Grandmaster, no, do not let this happen. I have fought for a very long time for this crown. Please let it go down to my son.
Then you must do what you must do. Your time is almost up.
All hail each other.
Ahum! Ahum! Ahum!
Father, enough is enough. Tell your cultic people to stop attacking me in my dreams. No amount of pressure will make me succumb to their bullshit. I know their faces. If they attack me again in my dream, I swear I will visit their houses one after the other and show them the stuff I'm made of. I'm not interested in your local and outdated fraternity. Huh? Warn them, because I will visit them physically and they wouldn't like what I will do.
Ijele.
All hail heir apparent to the throne.
Ahum! Ahum! Ahum!
What is going on here? What is going on here?
A new heir to the throne has been declared by the fraternity. You are covered in death and faith. A new, clean, and pure royal blood has been chosen.
Adanna.
And she is Princess Annabelle Adanaya Maduka.
Am I dreaming?
Ojadike, it is what it is. Ojadike, the throne is mine.
This is madness. I want all of you to get out of this place now. Out! So you came back all the way from the States to steal my birthright. You brainwashed me into sleeping with a woman. To do this?
I never brainwashed you. You wanted to get laid so desperately. I made it easier for you. The throne is mine.
Never. Over my dead body, Adanna, will you take what rightfully belongs to me. You have chosen war, and war I will serve you on a platter.
I am not your enemy. Father is.
Yes, Iche. You're welcome. Yes. I'm happy to have invited you here. Now that we are done with all this saga surrounding the succession issue that has to do with who becomes the next king of our kingdom, Ijele be praised.
No, there is something. What about her brother, the prince? Will he not be a bone in her neck?
Won't do anything.
The chief, we all know that if he tries anything stupid, Ijele will place him in his rightful place.
Exactly.
In fact, what we should be concerned about now is fixing the date for the coronation of the princess, so we can have a king in our kingdom. That is all we should know when we are correct. Yes.
Concerning the date, fixing of date, we should leave that for her to decide. Nevertheless, I am glad all this has come to a climax. Hello, Ndisha. I suggest we pay our Igwe a visit. Now that his crossover time has come, it's so near. What can I go?
You are right.
This change, you are right. You are very right.
My friends, it's your sister we are talking about here. Are you certain about this?
You can't be my sister and be fighting for my birthright at the same time. Doesn't make sense. She came pretending to be my blood. But how can you be fighting me when you're my blood? She wants the throne. Hello. Make it make sense. She deceived me. She lied. I never knew she was an enemy. But the worst thing that can happen to any person is to come for me. Especially when I'm right. That means you're gone. Mamone had a Sajapwala.
My prince, I'm with you in all this. And I will stand by you.
I will fight with the last drop of my blood. No man will take what rightfully belongs to me. I am not a weakling. Talk more of you.
Mona Mado! Mona Mado! Mona Mado! Mona Mado!
Welcome home. Sit. Destiny has started finally taking shape. The evil fraternity has seen you, haven't they?
You know about the fraternity?
The gods detest and despises them.
Why then are they silent over this? I came here for same purpose. The fraternity has destroyed my household. What do I do?
Everything that has happened for a reason. The Creator already ordained it. You are the plague that will put an end to this evil fraternity that has destroyed, taking over our sovereignty and rulership in this kingdom.
But how? What can I possibly do?
What has been planted in your heart already? It is not going to be an easy fight. But going against such evil will come with a price that one of you will be willing to pay.
I'm much more concerned about my brother. I don't know where he is and what he is planning to do.
The gods are with you. You must do that which is already planted in your heart.
This throne is mine, not yours. When will it stop? You stole my throne, no peace for you. When will it end? You are my enemy now, I must fight you. You are my enemy, I must kill you. You are my enemy, I must fight you. You are my
Ojadike, what's the meaning of all of this? By the way, where have you been? You're supposed to be ruling by my side.
Why you need to go and What sort of nonsense question is that? Yeah, I've been, as if you are my mother.
Ojadike, I don't know what you have in mind, but you have to stop fighting me. You know why? The throne is mine. And there is nothing anyone can do about it. Be reasonable.
Adanna, relinquish the throne to me. That's the only way we will have peace.
I will never do that. Like I said, the throne is mine. Stop fighting what you can't have, Ojadike. Stop wasting your time, Ojadike. I am protected by the fraternity, the gods and ancestors of this land. There is nothing you can do to me. So back down.
Adanna, the throne is mine, with or without you.
You can only have the throne when I'm done ruling.
Your blood must flow. Hey, your blood must flow. I know go gree, man when I die. I know go gree at all. Your blood must flow. Wabaka chuba, I know go gree, man when I die. Your blood must flow.
It is time.
The time has come.
It is time.
The time has come.
It is time.
The time has come.
Igwe Maduka. Igwe Maduka. Igwe Maduka. It is time.
The time has come.
All hail the king.
Ahum! Ahum! Ahum!
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 All hail Ijele.
Ahum! Ahum! Ahum!
The declaration to the throne has been made. Now, that which was made in the physical realm must now be made in the spiritual. Igwe Maduka, you can rest on.
I hereby bestow on you the mantle of leadership. To you, my daughter, Princess Annabelle Adanna Maduka. From this day onward, you are the leader of Oburu Kingdom.
Ijele sails it. Rest and peace, King Maduka, till we see again.
King.
Ahum! Ahum! Ahum!
Ijele, Ijele, Adomo, Ijele, 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 Adomo, Ijele, Ijele.
Her Majesty, what date are we fixing for the burial of a late father? So we can inform the people so they too can be adequately prepared.
I've thought about it. 3rd week of next month will be fine.
Her Majesty, isn't that too far? We have everything needed to lay our Igwe to rest. What are we? Huh? What are we waiting for?
We have to consider everyone else, including myself. I have some things to put in place before laying my father to rest. And like I said, 3rd week of next month it is.
That date will not stand. Just look at idiot sitting on my father's expensive couch. Dala, you're very, very stupid. That date will not stand. You can't fix my late father's burial in my absence. It has never happened before in this kingdom and it can't start now. No, na hapala.
Prince, with all due respect, how dare you caution Her Majesty while she's still talking to us?
If not for your old age, I swear, you deserve 48 machete drilling. You are an evil elder. Who goes you? This is an abomination. Why are you supporting this nonsense?
Do you know who you're talking to?
Listen, this is an abomination. There is nothing like woman king. This will not stand. No this and no peace.
Father made me his successor. Who are you to question this choice?
Father took that decision when he was not in the right sense of his mind. He bowed under pressure because of this occultic men here. It will not walk.
Leave this place now, else you will see the other side of me you have never seen before. Leave now!
I want to see that other side of you. Yes, bring it on.
Leave. This meeting is adjourned. All of you.
You are my enemy, I must fight you. You are my enemy, I must kill you. Baba, I no go gree, I no go gree. Your blood must flow. Your blood must flow. I no go gree.
Father, I don't like this. With all due respect, I don't like this. Why would you send my guest away?
Was that why you hospitalized my royal staff? Come, have you really gone mad?
I swear to God, next time they try such nonsense, I will send them to their early graves. I mean, you can't treat my guest like that. This is my father's house, for crying out loud.
And your father is not pleased with your behavior. You behaving like evil spirit has entered into you. I am trying to protect the legacy. And you want to blow it all away.
Father, mingling with a woman does not mean blowing your legacy away. Meme homo.
Remember celibacy. Remember celibacy is very important.
The evil one is right here with us. Wanna be fine, make I wanna river. The evil one is here with us. I wanna be fine, make I wanna river.
I'm above 18. Please, learn to mind your business. It's not a crime if a woman comes looking for me. I'm not a baby. Mind your business.
Bro, what's going on? I overheard your voices from outside.
Tell your father to stay away from my business. Else.
You did say you'll be returning. Today I would have prepared a royal feast for your arrival.
Father, I wanted to take you all by surprise, but I'm not happy with what I just witnessed. What's going on?
Now speak to your brother. Speak to him. He's becoming a hothead. And I don't like it.
But Father, you know he has always been like this. Is there a problem? Sorry for that.
I think I need a siesta.
Yes, you do. Sorry. Bro, what's going on?
I'm tired of father's madness. I think I should go ahead and do whatever that makes me happy. What nonsense.
I don't understand. What's this constant outburst without hitting the nail on the head?
Father said I must remain celibate until I become the king. That I must not make love or touch any woman until I become king. Who does that?
Type shit. Wait, bro. You're a virgin?
Yes.
Eh? You never knock woman before. Woman never tear your waterproof before. Type shit. Wait, what in there, so? So you never knock at all for your life. You never come. I can't remember the first time I had orgasm. Like, guy, you're for real? You've not slept with a woman before? Really?
He said according to their fraternity that I'm not supposed to touch any woman until I become king. He even said I should plead and declare my loyalty, that I will serve and be loyal to that fraternity's government, which I said no.
Confraternity. This is the first time I'm hearing about it. What's going on in this place?
The problem is father said he has no authority over the fraternity. But I don't believe him. How can he say that when he is the alpha and omega of this kingdom?
You know what, guy? This whole thing doesn't add up. Something is wrong somewhere. Listen, you're the sole heir to the throne. Whether you sleep with a woman or not, nothing can change that. Don't let it stress you. I'm sure father is just trying to do all of this to probably play a prank on you or something. This whole thing is not real. Come on. He's trying to pull your legs.
You think so?
I know so, guy. Guy, knock! Pick any of these ladies, knock them. If I line the girls up, knock them one by one. I should be proud of you, but I'm not proud of you. How you go there, checking penkies, they walk out and you don't feel knock anybody. What in there, so? You supposed to come now. No wonder you're looking old. Come, they make man, they young, you go they fresh. Shoo? Guy, enter that place. Any maiden when you see Colombia, knock him. Nothing goes so. You go still be the heir to the throne. Nobody can change it. Listen, they're doing all of this because they know say the thing is sweet. They don't want you to enjoy sweetness. But I'm telling you, go and dunk. Shoo? Finish them. Nobody go cough. I dare your back. They feel me. Knock me, you go. Everywhere all here need to go.
No! No! The egg has been defiled. And he is now unclean and unfit for the fraternity. Biaka inarumbe na inarukero. Baka kalabra bere ilabra. 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 Supelu. 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 Maduka. You have failed your home, and the crown shall be taken away from your lineage and handed to another who is worthy of it. Please don't let this happen to me. I am doing all I can. My son will declare very soon. His declaration is no longer needed. He has broken the truce and he is declared filthy. Prepare another for the crown. King Maduka. Grandmaster. Grandmaster. Mr. Gay, can you see what you have done? Can you see what you have cost my lineage? Come, I caused the day that your mother betted you. Disgrace to my name.
Father, where is this coming from?
Don't call me that name. Don't you ever, in your lifetime, call me that name.
Oh God, what is going on in this house? Father, can't we ever have a father and son moment in this house? This is absurd.
There will never be. There can never be. You see this imbecile? He sold off his birthright.
I did not sell my birthright. In fact, my birthright is intact. The throne is mine, and anybody that tries anything funny will go down. Wait a second. Adanna, did you discuss anything with him?
Hell no.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Ujungwa. Uju? My priceless jewel. Uju mommy. Would you please talk to me? Who did this to you? Who raped you? I promise you the person will pay dearly for this. Uju? Would you please talk to me?
You're serving a devilish Igwe.
What did you say?
You heard me right. You heard me right. I said you're serving a devilish Igwe. What will you do? Tell your ego that I said so.
Stop. Huh? What's wrong with you?
Huh?
What are you trying to do?
Something is wrong with you. You want to do what? It's your kind prayer. Do your worst. No, leave him to do whatever he wants to do.
Did you hear what she said? She has committed an abomination and needs to be dealt with.
Yeah.
Don't you know her? She's mentally unstable. She's not well. That's why she's acting this way.
Someone that will fire you and fire your generation and fire you. Oh, your fourth generation to come. You want to do what? Oh my God. It is you and your generation that is sick and unstable.
Let's go.
It is you and your generation that is sick and unstable. Idiot. Come, let me show you what mentally unstable somebody is unstable. Come and fight me. Come and fight me, idiot. Idiot. But I'm not going to do it. Serving a devilish Igwe. Your Igwe is devil whether you like it or not. Tell him I say so. They are like that. You have chased my dog away. You have chased him away. Look at him. Look at him. You have chased him away.
Sorry, but you did not tell me that you have a dog. Don't worry, eh? Sorry.
Go away. Why did you chase him off? Go away.
Don't worry, the dog will come back again. I'm about going to the market. I want you to stay indoors. Huh?
Indoors.
Yes.
So now you're calling me a troublemaker?
No, now. I don't want to. So I just want you to stay indoors so that you don't get yourself involved into trouble. Don't worry, you are not a troublemaker, yeah? Huh?
Okay, I will stay indoors. I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah, do mommy. Don't worry, yeah?
What about the palm oil? Are you going with
Okay.
me? Give me palm oil.
No, don't worry. I will remain for you.
Huh?
If I'm selling, I will remain some for you.
You bring for me?
Yes.
I will wait too. I will wait. I'm supposed to give this palm oil to my dog, my bestie.
Don't worry. Your dog will come back.
Okay.
So
I will not go anywhere. Okay.
Stop begin and continue. Bring me palm wine. I'll be waiting. I will drink it with my dog. My bestie. I love him so much. I'm not going any side. In fact, I'll be here waiting for you.
No worry. There are some combiners. Some spamming. So begin and me and you jump and bobbing. Chick, 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 chick. I'll drink for me with my bestie. Okay, let me tell you what I want. Look at it again. I'll be here. My bestie will be here. I will drink for me.
Who is that fool?
My prince. Now one village girl like that, oh, I don't even know what she's up to this time around.
Bundle her into this car.
Yes, my prince. Your word is law.
Hey, something is wrong with you people, oh. You want to tell me I'm my friend? Is something wrong with you? Why did I do that? Hey, leave me alone! 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 Leave me alone!
The evil one is right here with us. Wanna be fighting, wanna river. The evil one is here with us. Wanna be fighting, wanna river. All the time they want sacrifice. 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 We should be careful in this world we are living. Evil people is everywhere. Your opinion is never the opinion. Evil foundation will destroy generation. So before you make decisions, think twice in a go. Church Jafuma in a go. All the time, they want
Hello? Oga? Lizzy, come out! Come out, maybe you get a one-on-one. Come out! Man, we do a man-to-man, face-to-face. You are a coward! Oh, who's here? Open this gate! Open this gate!
Yeah, okay, why you start?
Oga, I didn't make any black cap. Go and call Prince DK for me. I don't get problem with you. Call Prince DK for me, maybe I can get a one-on-one. I don't here to make noise. Go call for me. Oga, I the one now. Man, we come for this table. DK! Okay. No one test me, Abi. No one test me. I say go company, DK for. No tell Maka. Huh? No one tell this stuff. DK! Don't be in a head, I want you to go to what I want to. Don't be in a head, I want you.
Who is making that noise?
There is someone at the gate threatening to bring bananas.
The machete, who is that idiot? Arinze, let him come. Hurry up, you can't keep me under the sun.
Hit me! Excuse me! Please, DK, see you! It's very this
Is he mad? Are you okay?
You ask me if I'm okay. You dare rape my sister! My only sister! No problem!
Afam, have you gone bananas? What nonsense are you blabbing about?
Among all the girls in this kingdom, do not be any of the Toledo. It's my only sister. God will punish you.
I can't blame your sister because she's below my class.
So I pick.
And then working now, I deal with the likes of Nicki Minaj, Cardi B, are you getting me? Rihanna, Thames and Arya Star, just to mention a few. Your sister is below standard, so stop disturbing my peace. Throw him out.
What?
And Susie, throw him out. Throw him out.
What for you? You will suffer for this.
But you called me.
Yes, I did. Dad, tell the princess exactly what you told me.
The man that came to make threat is a Panwine Tapa whose sister was raped by the prince yesterday.
What? Raped by the prince? That's not possible.
He did not only erase himself from the crown, he disgraced his own name, his own self, and that of the entire royal family. See how stupid your brother is? You see?
My brother can never do such a thing. I don't believe this.
Is that your response?
Father, for your dignity, for the entire family name, and that of my brother's name, please let us invite the girl over and compensate the family. This news must not get out there. Please, Father.
I think you have a point there.
Oh no! Oh no!
Who is this? What? Who is there?
when you are screaming and rushing to my house like a rat that has been chased out of his home by a hungry snake. What is it?
Oh no, you will not understand.
Understand what?
Oh no, the worst has happened.
Where? How?
The mountain lion has finally humiliated itself by eating a rotten food.
Stop talking to me in parables. What is it?
The prince, Prince DK. Prince DK is no longer fit and clean for the throne. He has destroyed his life of celibacy.
That's not true. That cannot happen. How?
Oh no. This war that I'm telling you has been already confirmed by the Grandmaster himself. Oh no, we are back to zero.
Hey! Not at this critical juncture. When the Igwe is at the verge of joining his ancestors very soon.
That's our problem. That is it.
How are we going to begin all over?
Oh no. Don't you think that something has to be done at this point?
What can be done? Well, I think we have to have a word with the Grandmaster.
You're correct. You are just there.
It's okay.
Talk to me. Where's my sister?
To be honest, there is nothing I can do. This is beyond my treatment. She was forcefully disflowered, which causes an internal damage inside her. And if not taken care of for time, it will cause a lot of damages. There's nothing I can do.
Please, I want you to help me. Just help me and help my sister's situation.
Afam, if I can help you, I would have done that. I will suggest you take her to a proper hospital so that I will examine her well and apply a proper treatment. Yeah? I can't do anything for her. I'm sorry. Take it.
Igwe Maduka. The coven has decided and is currently debating on whose family wears the crown after your demise.
Grandmaster, what can I do to retain my legacy?
Only one option. Only one option. Your daughter. She is still pure. She can take after you, King Maduka.
My daughter? She's but a woman.
The fraternity decides who becomes king. If only she can make her declaration to the coven, then she can be the first woman king of this land.
What if the people reject her?
They can only reject her in their heart, not with their mind. She can have a husband to rule in her name, but the crown remains her right.
Grandmaster, I'll walk towards that.
She has 48 hours. 48 hours to decide, else the coven chooses another. 48 hours, King Maduka.
48 hours. I hope I can meet up. 48 hours.
Sorry, I'm coming. Sorry. Okay. Sorry, sorry. Uju. Sorry. Don't worry, let me give you your medication.
What kind of trouble is this? I'm sorry, oh. Stand up so that you take your drugs. Stand. Hey. Sorry. Open your mouth. Now open your mouth. Take water. Sorry, okay? Sorry. Don't worry, you'll be fine, okay?
Father, you shouldn't have stressed yourself coming over here. You should have called on the phone.
Dad. Really? It was more important to come. We still have a chance to retain our family name.
Was it ever lost?
You still doubt the existence of the fraternity. As it stands now, you are my heir. When you make the declaration, then you will become the next ruler of this great land.
May the gods forbid. Father, your son, the prince, is still very much alive, healthy, and active. What are you talking about?
He defied himself.
Greetings, Father. You called me.
You know why I summoned you. The clock is ticking. You have to make your declaration to uphold the laws of the fraternity. And you also will have to maintain your celibacy until you sit on this throne.
Father, I am not interested in your fetish activities. Yes, you cannot link me with your old charms. I am not interested. Why must I go into all those things? When you said I should maintain celibacy before, no, I'm not interested in any of those bullshit.
I am not the one that declares so. It is the demand of the fraternity. But I have schooled you on this on several occasions.
But how will I make you understand that I'm not interested in all that? Okay? I'm too young and vibrant for such fetish activities. I am not interested in your fraternity, and nothing can make me change my mind. Excuse me.
BK. Come in.
May your days be long, Your Highness. You sent for me.
Some minutes ago, I saw a woman walk into the palace. Who is she and what does she want?
She said the prince invited her here, Your Highness.
And where is the prince?
He stepped out not long ago, Your Highness.
I want you to send her out right now.
Your words are law, Your Highness.
Do it now.
Excuse me, young lady. The king demands you leave immediately.
I don't understand. But the prince asked me to come. And as you speak, he's already on his way.
Please, I do not want to forcefully push you. You have to leave at once.
Is that how you talk to your guest?
The instruction is from the Igwe. He said you should leave at once. So please.
I'm here for the prince, not the king.
Young lady, I do not want to forcefully push you. Please, leave at once. The instruction is from the Igwe. Yeah, that will do.
Someone else got idiot in this palace. All of you should come here. Hurry up! Who amongst you sent away my female visitor? Mwanja Dadangu. I hate repeating myself. Answer my question.
My prince, I did. But it was the Igwe that asked me to chase her out. The Igwe.
You sent away my female visitor?
It was the Igwe that asked me to.
Good. You will go to my room, freshen up, tie a towel, make sure you're smelling nice, and wait for me on my bed. I will make love to you.
But my prince, I don't have sweet.
No, you chased away my female visitor. So I will sleep. I will sleep with you. Go to my room, freshen up. Freshen up and wait for me. You kneel down. Kneel down there. Useless idiots. You people were here. He sent away my female visitor. Male. I will break you.
How you go there? Chicken penkies, they walk out, but you don't feel knock anybody. What in there, so? You supposed to come now. No wonder you're looking old. Come, they make man, they young, you go they fresh.
Who is that fool?
My prince. Now one village girl like that, oh, I don't even know what she's up to this time around.
Bundle her into this car.
Yes, my prince. Your word is law.
Hey, something is wrong with you people, oh. You want to tell me I'm my friend? Is something wrong with you? How did I do that? Hey, leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
The coven has rejected him.
Why? Because he slept with a woman? Father, that is absurd. How are you even sure I have not lost my virginity as well?
Have you? The coven will not have you as an option if you have. I am talking about my legacy here. Our legacy. Accept the throne and retain my crown.
Well, I'm sorry, I will not accept your crown. I am not interested.
Papa, good news there. Good news, there's what's up?
My sister is dying.
There's somebody that can treat your sister. Yes, the man is tested and trusted.
Where? But as it is now, my sister cannot walk. She cannot even move her body. Okay, where is the person that we can bring the person to our house to come and check?
No, he's a very busy man. That is the problem. That's the problem. He may not even have the time to come to your place. So it's better we use public transport. Let's see how it goes.
Okay, public transport. Yeah. Let me just go and dress up.
fast. It's tested and trusted. Eh?
Okay, good.
Hurry up.
Oh. Okiti pata pata. Okiti puta puta. Okiti pupa. Okiti pupa. There is an injury in her womb, and it is beginning to decay from within. That injury must be treated. But it is going to cost you.
How much will it cost?
₦350,000.
But I don't really have money. Where am I going to see that kind of money from?
This is not your bills to pay, Afam. Don't let your quest of revenge make you lose your one and only sister. Yes, you need to go and meet the prince. You must pay for this stupid act.
You see the damage you have caused to my sister. See the kind of critical condition you put my sister. My sister is down in the hospital.
Guy, are you not a guy, man? Some days are like that. You know, all my life I'm used to royal girls. If it is not the daughter of Igbo Bulugu, it is another royal daughter from somewhere. If it is not the daughter of another king from another kingdom. This time around I said, okay, let me test Bushmo. That was honor. So sorry about that, okay? I'm sorry.
That is not, it's not matter of sorry. My sister is dying. And they are requesting for 350,000 naira.
Come on. You're talking to Prince DK. Money can never be a problem around here. I will transfer 500,000 for you. Sort yours.
I'm not asking for 500,000 naira. Just send the 350,000. Let me save my sister. On a very good day, Muna get one-on-one.
No problem. I will send you 350,000 naira. All right.
916.
Princess Anna. Princess Anna. Princess Anna.
Who are you? Why are you calling my name and what are you doing here?
I am the Grand Master of the great Ijele fraternity, the immortal that lives among men. I have come for you. I am certain you are aware of the fraternity and what it stands for. I have come for a final answer.
And if I reject it?
A candidate is already standing by to take over the throne the moment your father dies. And we will come for every offspring from King Marga.
What do I do?
The answer lies within you.
Now that the burial of our late Igwe is around the corner,
You also have to fix a date for your marriage and your Fala festival. Because the moment the Igwe is laid to rest, all eyes will be on you. Yes, and I do not want to create impression
or makes it look as if we did not make the right choice.
Are you aware there's a war going on in this kingdom? A war between my brother and I? Listen, Ofala and marriage can wait until I'm done settling the dispute between my brother and I.
Your Majesty, your brother is nobody before the fraternity. So he can be handled just with a snap of finger.
Nobody is handling anybody. I repeat, nobody will do such a thing. Every other thing must wait until I'm done settling the dispute between my brother and I. For now, let all focus and attention be on the burial of my father. Am I understood?
Yes, Your Majesty.
The evil one is right here with us. Wanna be fine, make wanna river. The evil one is here with us. I wanna be fine, make wanna river. All the time they want sacrifice. All the time they want sacrifice.
Your claims to the throne has become a hindrance to the free flow of things of the fraternity. Choose peace with your brother, else he will die.
You should be ashamed of yourself. That your fraternity of this caliber wants to take away the life of my brother because he refused to align to your rules and regulations. Listen, I will make peace with my brother on my own terms.
Annabelle, Annabelle, what has come over you? Any further attack on the fraternity or the throne means that you have chosen death, and he shall die.
You lie. 10,000 of you cannot do anything to my brother and I. The throne is ours to keep.
The evil one is here with us. I wanna be if I can make a wanna river. All the time.
This is serious, so. Since when did the princess become the prince and the heir apparent to the throne?
Where do you get that information?
Something that happened before my very eyes. The princess had a meeting with the council of chiefs.
This is bad though. Are the elders planning to crown the princess king or what?
My sister, like, I'm confused as you are. Well, let's just keep watching and see where this leads us to. Wow.
Your blood must flow. A quince batago, trouble on day. It depends on one little so can Honila batago, unso badigo. It depends on one little so can confusion everywhere. It depends on one little so can
We have to wait here till night falls before we make our move. Keep your eyes open to know when she's coming out and when she's going in. Still understand? That's baby, that's our week on now.
Oh, I cannot. You see my papa and I did it.
This throne is mine, not yours. When will it stop? You stole my throne, no peace for you. When will it end? You are my enemy now. I must fight you.
Come on, come down.
Your blood must flow. Hey, your blood must flow. I no go gree, man when I die. I no go gree at all. Your blood must flow. Wabaka chuba, I no go gree, man when I die.
I go pump you with no nice.
Oh boy. Where she go?
Oh boy. We searched everywhere, we don't see this baby. And also she's in this palace.
No. She doesn't go out of this place. She's always in this compound. Did you check her room?
Yes, she's not in the palace. She tells everywhere she's in the palace.
Boy, let's go home and go.
This battle is because of the throne. Why can't we join hands?
You are safe now, as long as you remain dedicated to the Titan god, Ijele. You will be forever protected.
They want sacrifice. Kafamweba mole. All the time. They want sacrifice.
Hello, come here.
All the time. They want sacrifice.
I know sometimes you play dirty for local politics. Fine and good, understandable, maybe for money. But you should be ashamed of yourself for standing and watching an abomination go on. Wanya big way. You ridiculed our culture and tradition. Manayadiwa. That matter the fridge. I'm here to tell you that on that day, I'm talking about my father's burial day. That same day will be my coronation day. I'm not scared of your occult group.
Never. Rezeke, read my lips. Never.
Okay.
That crown is not for pigs. You will never, ever wear that crown over my dead body.
I'm a pig. What are you? Archangel Michael. He without sin should cast the first stone. My father burial's day will be my coronation day, and if you stand against it, I will kill you.
I said over my dead body.
Oh, you get on too. Okay, Izagara was Yaga. Enough of these jokes. I swear to God, and that day will be my coronation day. Else I will kill you with my bare hands. You can't do it. Okay. Okay, the begging. Call Papa for me.
This one we wanna carry bag. Wetin dey happen? Where are you guys going to?
Where be like side you go before?
I'm actually going back to my father's house. You can see this palace is no more safe for me. I didn't sign up for this kind of thing. This palace is not safe anymore. Let me just go.
You shall be say the palace no safe again. Is it not your responsibility to protect the palace? Even if the palace is not safe, it's your job to make sure the place is safe. Huh?
If you are blind to see that there is war coming, we are not. And don't you think that the prince will be quiet over his future sister's coronation? Biko, I cannot die for these people because they do not want it. As for me, I'm going to my father's house.
I bet Muna wait for what? Even if Una go come out now, me Una bring person who go replace Una now.
You will be the one to look for the person. I'm going.
If you're ready, you go call me to us.
Nah, which kind wahala be all these things, sef? What thing they happen for this palace? Even me, sef, I don't tire. Which kind thing be this? Nah, this job, sef.
What kind of stupidity is that? Eh? Is he mad or something? I bet you don't still go smoke wetin no good. Prince of all people. How could he?
You don't understand. If you know the kind damage where this guy don't cause my sister, you know the kind damage where this guy don't cause my family, you go no say they pay me. Because as he pay me now, anything I go do to hurt the prince, now I won't do.
Bam!
And as I won't do, even the body cannot feel save him.
At all. You must teach him a lesson. But you know your sister's life comes first. Eh? So why is she even responding to treatment?
She's not responding to treatment. Even the doctor don't tell me, say, I need money. I need money to take her to another hospital. I don't have money. And it's paining me.
This is the problem. Now you supposed to pay for the hospital bill. Eh? Is it not that idiot that did this mess? He's the one that is supposed to pay for the stuff.
See, ma, tell you, I still be me. I don't need praise money. I don't need praise money. I hear that need. Because if na knife I hold, I go cut his throat, I go choke the neck. And if na gun I go shoot the head.
Like I said before, my brother, not be the way but you take this crash, person they take this crasher. Your sister's life comes first. Eh?
No, they tell me that one. No, they tell me that one.
Prince of all people.
You see Prince Dike, I ain't go collect.
Prince of all people.
You see Prince, I go blow your head. I tell you, even police don't feel safer.
Kaka, you must teach him a lesson.
Let go roll. Alpha, so he don't transfer the money to me. I won't go me to postmate it to myself. No.
Alpha, there is a problem.
Which problem?
There is a problem.
Ogali problem.
As we speak, your sister's body is still at the shrine.
My sister's body?
Still at the shrine. Alpha, where?
Uju? Zemo, what happened?
She could not fight anymore. She have to give up the spirit.
Oh
Alpha, please calm down. Calm down. As you can see, she's gone and there's nothing you can do about it. Please put yourself together and don't do anything stupid, please.
Also, I want to be left alone. I want to be left alone.
Do you not expect me to leave you in this place alone? Please, if you need anything, don't...
Please, I want to be left alone. Dike, you have taken from me that which is very dear to me. You have
have taken from me my only sister. It is never of me to take this step. It is never of me to come for you and your household. But you have taken my joy. And you and your household will pay dearly for this. I swear, under the grace, somebody will go down. DK, for the sake of my sister, head will roll. I swear.
What's the prince? Where's the prince? Where's the prince? Where's the other person? Are you mad? Huh? Oh, Kukusala! Not a dress! The man!
My prince, oh. My prince. My prince. My prince, oh. My prince. My prince. My prince, see me. See that. But Oluwa, that save me. My prince. That wine boy. That wine boy, he attacked us, my prince. Yes, my prince. He even killed one of the guards, my prince.
Afam killed one of our guards.
Yes, my prince.
Has he gotten to you?
My prince, it was an ambush. Oh my, he knew that we were passing. He knew. Oh.
Afam, you have beaten more than you can chew. It's time to show you the stuff of men. Call the dog.
Okay, my prince.
Come back here. Why are you projecting like a fool?
My prince, at the first day when I see where person die.
You're very stupid. Are you the one that died?
No,
Lie down here. Lie down here, idiot. Or again, one. So the person will die, what do you want to do?
No.
Hello. Sorry. Excuse me.
Yes.
I'm looking for Afam.
You see, Afam is the same person I'm still looking for.
Oh.
Yes, I was just coming from his house now. I came to the shop to look for him. But you know, since his sister died, he has not been opening his shop. So I was just wondering where I can find him now. You know?
So I'm actually here to see him.
Yes.
There's no problem. I have a message for him, that's why.
Oh, you probably need palm wine.
Yes. Do you know somewhere I can get him a place or somebody he will talk to, relate to something?
No, I don't know. I don't know.
Think. Maybe after, you know, a man always has places to go to after work.
Actually, there's only one place. Since he's not in his house and here, I know that there's only one place he can be. Yes.
Yeah,
I was actually going there, Nonso's place.
Nonso?
His friend.
Okay, can you take me there?
Of course now.
You can take me there.
I was going there already. So I should come inside.
Very fine. Yes, I can take you there very fast.
So all of them are here black.
Nothing, you just say no thing.
Please, who are you?
Go down!
Go down.
Where do I hold this visit, please? Where do I?
Where is Afam?
Afam? I swear I don't know where Afam is. I swear.
Young man, look! I swear to God if you misbehave.
If you are looking for Afam, you should go to his house or better still check his shop.
You want to talk that kind of thing, ba? What have you to fire this man?
No, so tell them now. Tell them now. You know where Afam is. Tell them now.
Say it now. Block the score. Say it.
Please, people.
Where is Afam?
I swear I don't know where Afam is.
I don't want to repeat myself. Where is Afam?
I swear no. I don't really know where.
Fire him.
Go talk now, you no go talk now.
Where is Afam?
What have you make I finish this man now? Where is Afam? Where is he? Huh? Wait.
Call him now.
Afam, please, where are you? There's an emergency. Yes, emergency. Yes, emergency.
Hello, Nonso? No, Nonso, this is not the time for all these things. Huh?
Make any silly move, I will blow your head off.
And if you don't shut up your mouth, I'll count you among the dead.
The prince wanted to solve this, but he chose to go through it the wrong way.
Which peaceful way? Which peaceful way? By killing my only sister. Put that gun down. Put that gun down.
What did you say?
And if you don't put that gun down, I will count you among those I have killed. 1. Drop your gun. Hey, drop. I swear to you, I will fire you. Go down! Drop your gun. Down! Down!
You know, that boy is a fool. Very big fool. What he does not know is bigger than him. Let's wait for him. Let him do his worst. Then we will see where it will land him.
Chokeke. If not for the princess, I would have killed that boy a long time ago. I would have killed him with my bare hands. But I can't wait to see how the great Ijele will deal with it for good.
His own time will come. No, don't worry yourself. His own time will come. We will know who is who. Oh no, lest I forget. The burial of our Igwe is in 3 days' time. I hope everything is in order.
It's okay.
No.
Everything is in motion. Everything planned out. No stone has been left unturned. And everything be a huge success.
Okay, this is that day.
This throne is mine, not yours. When will it stop? You stole my throne, no peace for you. When will it end? You are my enemy now. I must fight you. You are my enemy. I must kill you. You are my enemy. I must fight you. You are my enemy. I must kill you.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
What's going on? Where is everyone? Where are the guards? They're supposed to be watching over my chambers. What's going on?
Some of them have left the palace, Your Majesty.
Why?
They left because of Prince DK. Even the maidens are quitting their jobs.
Did anyone tell them Prince has issues with them? Why would they abandon their duties?
I don't know, Your Majesty.
Your blood must flow. Hey, your blood must flow. I know go gree, man when I die. I know go gree at all. Your blood must flow. Wabaka chuba, I know go gree, man when I die.
Ikuku. 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 Yeah, like this. Oh, what if I'm not mad to get men in the war? You can't even get an arcade to I know if so bully a idea. Oba Welua Natika. Okua, we want to make a area. Natika. Ikuku. Alugo. Alugo Monugi. Alugo. Ikuku. Mona mado klebo na. Onwo sifo mmado ozo ye mumenwu gi no wa. Ibuta gi ike. Muliba, ogugo.
Proceed to the graveside.
The evil one is right here with us. Wanna be fine, make I wanna river. The evil one is here with us. Wanna be fine, make I wanna river. Factor all the time. They want sacrifice.
Ojadike, what is the meaning of this nonsense? Are you out of your mind? Even if you don't have respect for everyone, at least have respect for the man that gave you life.
You're not mad. You're all like crazy. And I won't bury this man without his first son for background. That's how they behave. If now you die, they bury you, your first son no day, you go there happy. You're very, very stupid. You're very, very stupid. I don't know. Why you ada buigwe? Why you ada buigwe? A woman can never become king. We're not talking about women and this guy. Nonsense. Move that casket. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
This throne is mine, not yours. When will it stop? You stole my throne, no peace for you. When will it end? You are my enemy now, I must fight you. You are my enemy, I must kill you. You are my enemy, I must fight you. You are my enemy, I must kill you. Baba, I no go gree, man when I die. I no go gree. Your blood must flow. Hey, your blood must flow. I no go gree, man when I die. I no go gree at all. Your blood must flow. Baba, I no go gree, man when I die. Your blood must flow. Trouble on me. It the best one little so came and I can. Honeyla Batago, so body go. It the best one little so came and I can. Confusion everywhere. It the best one little so came and I can.
Hello, come here. I know sometimes you play dirty for local politics. Fine and good, understandable, maybe for money. But you should be ashamed of yourself for standing and watching an abomination go on. You ridiculed our culture and tradition. Manayadiwa. That matter the fridge. I'm here to tell you that on that day, I'm talking about my father's burial day. That same day will be my coronation day. I'm not scared of your occult group.
Never. Rezeke, read my lips. Never.
Okay.
That crown is not for pigs. You will never, ever wear that crown over my dead body.
I'm a pig. What are you? Archangel Michael. He without sin should cast the first stone. My father's burial day will be my coronation day, and if you stand against it, I will kill you.
I said over my dead body.
Oh, you get them too. Okay, Izagara was Yaga. enough of these jokes. I swear to God, on that day will be my coronation day. Else I will kill you with my bare hands. You can't do nothing. Okay. Okay, the begging. Call Papa for me.
This one we wanna carry bag. Wetin dey happen? Where are you guys going to?
Where be like I dey go before? I'm actually going back to my father's house. You can see this palace is no more safe for me. I didn't sign up for this kind of thing. This palace is not safe anymore. Let me just go.
Which one be say the palace no safe again? Is it not your responsibility to protect the palace? Even if the palace is not safe, it's your job to make sure the place is safe. Huh?
If you are blind to see that there is war coming, we are not. And don't you think that the prince will be quiet over his future sister's coronation? Biko, I cannot die for these people because they do not want it. As for me, I'm going to my father's house.
Don't go there for another place.
I beg Muna wait for what? Even if una go come out now, me una bring person wey go replace una na.
You will be the one to look for the person. I'm going.
If you're ready, you go come meet us for
Nah, which kind wahala be all these things sef? Wetin dey even dey happen for this palace? Even me sef, I don tire o. Which kind thing be this? Nah, this job sef.
What kind of stupidity is that? Eh? Is he mad or something? Abi you don't still go smoke wetin no good? Prince of all people. How could he?
You no understand. If you know the kind damage wey this guy don cause my sister, you know the kind damage wey this guy don cause my family, you go know say they pay me. Because as he be me now, anything I go do to hurt the prince, now I won't do.
Bam!
And as I won't do, even the body cannot feel save him.
At all. You must teach him a lesson. But you know your sister's life comes first. Eh? So why is she even responding to treatment?
She's not responding to treatment. Even the doctor don't tell me, say, I need money. I need money to take her to another hospital. I don't have money. And it's paining me.
This is the problem. Now you supposed to pay for the hospital bill. Eh? Is it not that idiot that did this mess? He's the one that is supposed to pay for the stuff.
See, ma, tell you, I still be me. I don't need praise money. I don't need praise money. I hear that need. Because if na knife I go cut the throat, I go choke the neck. And if na gun I go shoot the head.
Like I said before, my brother, no be the way body take this crash, person they take this crash. Your sister's life comes first. Eh?
No, they tell me that one. No, they tell me that one.
Prince of all people.
You see Prince Dike, I ain't go collect.
Prince of all people.
You see Prince, I go blow your head. I tell you, even police don't feel safer.
Kaka, you must teach our lesson.
Let go roll. He don't transfer the money to me. I won't go to consummate this myself. No.
Afam, there is a problem.
Which problem?
There is a problem.
Ogali problem.
As we speak, your sister's body is still at the shrine.
My sister's body?
Still at the shrine. Afam, where?
Uju? Zemo, what happened?
She could not fight anymore. She have to give up the spirit.
Oh
Alpha, please calm down. Calm down. As you can see, she's gone and there's nothing you can do about it. Please put yourself together and don't do anything stupid, please.
Also, I want to be left alone. I want to be left alone.
Do you not expect me to leave you in this place alone? Please, if you need anything, don't...
Please, I want to be left alone.
DK, you have taken from me that which is very dear to me. You have taken from me my only sister. It is never of me to take this step. It is never of me to come for you and your household. But you have taken my joy. And you and your household will pay dearly for this. I swear, under the grace, somebody will go down. DK, for the sake of my sister, head will roll, I swear.
What's the prince? Where's the prince? Where's the prince? Where's the other person? Are you mad? What? Oh, good, not a dress! The man!
My prince, oh. My prince. My prince. My prince, oh. My prince. My prince. My prince, see me. See that. But Oluwa, that save me. My prince. That Panwine boy. That Panwine boy, he attacked us, my prince. Yes, my prince. He even killed one of the guards, my prince.
Afam killed one of our guards.
Yes, my prince.
Has he gotten to this?
My prince, it was an ambush. Oh my, he knew that we were passing. He knew. Oh.
Afam, you have beaten more than you can see. It's time to show you the stuff of men. Call the dog.
Okay, my prince.
Come back here. Why are you projecting like a fool?
My prince, at the first day when I see where person die.
You're very stupid. Are you the one that died?
No,
Lie down here. Lie down here, idiot. Or again, one. So the person will die, where do you want to do?
No. Excuse me.
Yes.
I'm looking for Afam.
You see, Afam is the same person I'm still looking for.
Oh.
Yes, I was just coming from his house now. I came to the shop to look for him. But you know, since his sister died, he has not been opening his shop. So I was just wondering where I can find him now. You know?
So I'm actually here to see him.
Yes.
There's no problem. I have a message for him, that's why.
Oh, you probably need palm wine.
Yes. Do you know somewhere I can get him a place or somebody he will talk to, relate to something?
No, I don't know. I don't know.
Think. Maybe after, you know, a man always has places to go to after work.
Actually, there's only one place. Since he's not in his house and here, I know that there's only one place he can be. Yes. I was actually going there, Nonso's place.
Nonso?
His friend.
Can you take me there?
Of course now.
You can take me there.
I was going there already. So I should come inside.
Very fine. Yes, I can take you there very fast.
So all of them are here black.
Nothing, you just say no answer.
Go down!
Go down. Where do I hold this visit, please?
Where there?
Where is Afam?
Afam? I swear I don't know where Afam is.
Young man, look! I swear to God if you misbehave.
If you are looking for Afam, you should go to his house or better still check his shop.
You're not to talk that kind of thing, ba? What am I to fire this man?
No, so tell them now. Tell them now. You know where Afam is. Tell them now.
Say it now, block the score. Say it!
Please, people. Where is Afam?
I swear I don't know where Afam is.
I don't want to repeat myself. Where is Afam?
I swear no. I don't really know where.
Fire him.
Go talk now, you no go talk now.
Where is Afam?
What time you make I finish this man now?
Where is Afam? Where is he? Huh? Wait.
Call him now.
Afam, please, where are you? There's an emergency. Yes, emergency. Yes, emergency.
Hello, Nonso? No, Nonso, this is not the time for all these things. Huh?
Make any silly move, I will blow your head off.
And if you don't shut up your mouth, I'll count you among the dead.
The prince wanted to solve this, but he chose to go through it the wrong way.
Which peaceful way? Which peaceful way? By killing my only sister. Put that gun down. Put that gun down.
What did you say?
And if you don't put that gun down, I will count you among those that I have killed. 1. Drop your gun. Hey, drop. I swear to you, I will fight you. Go down! Drop your gun. Down! Down!
Oh no, that boy is a fool. Very big fool. What he does not know is bigger than him. Let's wait for him. Let him do his worst. Then we will see where it will land him.
If not for the princess, I would have killed that boy a long time ago. I would have killed him with my bare hands. But I can't wait to see how the great Ijele will deal with it for good.
His own time will come. Oh no, don't worry yourself. His own time will come. We will know who is who. Oh no, lest I forget. The burial of our Igwe is in 3 days' time. I hope everything is in order.
It's okay.
No.
Everything is in motion. Everything planned out. No stone has been left unturned. And everything be a huge success.
Okay, this is that day.
This throne is mine, not yours. When will it start? You stole my throne, no peace for you. When will it end? You are my enemy now, I must fight you. You are my enemy, I must kill you. You are my enemy, I must fight you. You are my enemy, I must kill you.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
What's going on? Where is everyone? Where are the guards? They're supposed to be watching over my chambers. What's going on?
Some of them have left the palace, Your Majesty.
Why?
They left because of Prince DK. Even the maidens are quitting their jobs.
Did anyone tell them Prince has issues with them? Why would they abandon their duties?
I don't know, Your Majesty.
Your blood must flow. Hey, your blood must flow. I know go gree, man when I die. I know go gree, your blood must flow. Wabaka chuba, I know go gree, man when I die.
Ikuku. 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 Like this. Onwe ife ọbụla mmadụ ga-emenwu n'ụwa. Ike niile dị gị n'aka etu anyị nọ ife. So buli ya jiri ya. Oba welua. Na tike. Ọkụ agụ ya wakta n'aka dị ahụ ya. Na tike. Ikuku. Ọlụgọ. Anugo mo nugi. Alugo. Dali. Ikuku. Mona mmadụ ka ego na. Onwe osisi mmadụ ọzọ ya emumenwu gị n'ụwa. Ibute gị ike. Nwụrụ ọgwụgwọ.
Proceed to the graveside.
The evil one is right here with us. Wanna be fine, wanna river. The evil one is here with us. Wanna be fine, wanna river. Factor all the time. They want sacrifice. Kafamwe bangole. Factor.
meaning of this nonsense? Are you out of your mind? Even if you don't have respect for everyone, at least have respect for the man that gave you life.
Una dey mad. You're all like crazy. And I won't bury this man without his first son for background. That's how that they behave. If now you die, they bury you, your first son no day, you go there happy. You're very, very stupid. You're very, very stupid. I don't know. Why you ada buigwe? Why you ada buigwe? A woman can never become king. We're not talking about women and this guy. Nonsense. Move that casket. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
This throne is mine, not yours. When will it stop? You stole my throne, no peace for you. When will it end? You are my enemy now, I must fight you. You are my enemy, I must kill you. You are my enemy, I must fight you. You are my enemy, I must kill you. Baba, I know go believe, man, when I die. I know go agree, your blood must flow. Hey, your blood must flow. I know go believe, man, when I die. I know go agree at all. Your blood must flow. Baba, I know go believe, man, when I die. Your blood must flow. Trouble on me. It depends on one little so came and Honila Batago, Unso Badigo. It depends on one little so came and confusion everywhere. It depends on one little so came and
You don't know saying a risk to visit me without invitation. What are you doing here?
I knew this was where you would bring father's corpse. Brother, all of this isn't necessary.
Just like stealing my birthright isn't necessary. You deceived me, you lied to me, you stabbed me in the back. Listen, until you give me what rightfully belongs to me, you will know no peace. And you have till tomorrow morning to pack your bags and leave this kingdom.
And what happens next?
I will ascend the throne of my forefathers. That's the only way peace will reign and everybody will go home.
And you think the fraternity will let you have it?
I don't give a fuck about the fraternity. I don't give a fuck about you. All I want is what rightfully belongs to me, the throne of my fathers, my birthright. No one will take that away from me.
I have come to pay my father his last respect. What happens next is solely on you.
Do I look afraid? Bring it on. Do I look afraid? Mamo no the Saja Pala.
The river does not flow forest, bringing down trees. No one there plays with the tail of a tiger than getting out. The only reason why it's saying to a monkey that it knows how to fly is because the trees are close. I am going to crush whatever stands on my way. Italy! I am the immortal that lives among men. Adanaya, it is tit for tat. No time for mercy.
You have 7 days to bring my father's corpse for a proper funeral. 7 days.
Don't they waste my bullets. Everything will go. Come on, I'm walking along.
Let the earth shake and let the heavens open. And let the hands of the gods come down like a bolt of lightning. The era of evil must come to an end. The gods shall know no rest until the kingdom is liberated. Okosimiri! Okosimiri! Arise and take back what is stolen by evil.
Hey! How? Chineke! They have killed Ichozuka! Hey! How am I going to get out of this? Hey! Whoa! Hey! Hey! Ijala, come and save me! How am I getting out of this alive? Oh! They have killed her! Hey!
Your Majesty, this one your face is like this. I know your brother must have dealt with you.
Your Majesty, what is the problem? You should have told us about this long ago, and by now we would have dealt with him seriously.
I don't want him dead. I just want him silent.
It's our work, oh. You don't need to stress yourself. We're going to give you exactly what you want. Exactly.
Okay. You all can go. You hear from me.
Alright, alright.
We get to come.
This throne is mine, not yours. When will it stop? You stole my throne, no peace for you. When will it end? You are my enemy now. I must fight you. You are my enemy. I must fight you. You are my enemy. I must kill you. Baba, I know your blood must flow. Hey, your blood must flow. I know your blood must flow. Your blood must flow. Trouble on me. It the best one little so came and Honila Batago, so badigo. It the best one little so came and confusion everywhere. It the best one little so came and
Where did they follow now? Every day is for the thief. But one day is for the owner. Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
From the look on your faces, I can tell the outcome of what happened.
Your Majesty, we almost got your brother. We almost got him. But I assure you, next time he won't escape it.
I trust what you all can do. But remember the mission. I don't want him dead. Just slow him down. I repeat, I do not want my brother dead.
But Your Majesty, what if we are in a situation where he wants to kill us?
Well, avoid being in such situation. I need to make a quick visit.
You don't need to go alone. The road is not clear, Your Majesty.
Yes. Tag along.
Confirm.
The time has come, child of destiny. You must restore order in the throne. It will not be an easy task, but you shall prevail. You shall be here for the next 3 days for fortifications. And after that, Okosimi will make you his vessel. Abalakibeya! 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 Olukwekwe koselu. Akwadisini henna. Abalakibeya! Oke chakwala agwo. Oke chakwala agwo. Olukwekwe korelu. Olukwekwe korelu. Okilikili ka na-abụ nkwo na adị ali enu. Ofe ka adị agba ogwu ndị mmụọ. Obembe adị ebe ebe n'ebe a na-ebe akwa. Okechala agwọ. Okechala agwọ. Okechala agwọ. Move it. I just talk to that shoot. There you go. Come on, come on. Open the door for them. Jump in, jump in. You fuck up, eh? See this here, so we're putting on the better force. Get down there, jump in. I want you to make like a second. Come on, sister, let's go. I must fight you. You are my enemy. I must kill you. Let's go.
Your blood must flow. Hey, your blood must flow. I know go gree, man when I die. I know go gree at all. Your blood.
Who sent you? Who sent you?
Come on, answer the question. Can't you just zoom? Come on, answer the question. So.
Alpha boy, this guy no one send it. I need to. It's like I'll blow her head. I don't get patient.
I don't want to repeat myself. You have been shooting at us. Who sent you?
Myself.
Yeah, Chris.
Who sent you?
Yeah, Jones.
They talk to you, sir. They wear cap. If you say, nah. If I calm down, no.
You get luck, say no be kid, they say me we kill you. No for the yarn dust.
I cannot do anything. You see, so that say we die. What did they happen? What did they happen for you now?
For the last time, who sent you?
Her Majesty, our boss, asked us to slow you people down. You were disturbing her cause.
Yeah, you see me with the monitor that man G. That dolphin. Don't worry, now brother make you keep quiet. Nothing they happen. But today I don't do here now. I do now. I do our command. Nothing they happen. Get me by now. I want to take something.
Welcome. It is time to eat.
What am I eating?
A food prepared by Okosimi himself.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings.
There's a problem.
A problem? What's the problem?
Baby T and Coco Melon is missing. I've been trying their lines, it's not connecting.
When was the last time you saw them?
According to the guards, 2 days ago, it was at the palace and that was it.
Confusion everywhere.
Where are my girls?
How did you get here?
I did not come here to be interviewed by you. Where are my girls?
I can see you value them so much. So let's bargain.
You cannot have the crown now. I'm working on it.
I don't understand.
I'm trying to wage a war against the fraternity. I can only achieve that by getting closer to them. Something you've been deprived of.
So you expect me to believe this? What do you take me for? A toddler?
Your choice. But nothing should happen to my girls.
Submit my crown and I will free your bitches.
Someday, you will realize I was never your enemy.
Until then, my crown for your bitches.
Her Majesty, why does he feel you have neglected your duties? Jeopardizing all that have been stationed and planned. Why?
I told the coven I needed to reconcile with my brother first.
You see, the coven cannot wait for your wants. The coven is bigger than you and your brother put together. The whole community must be informed and forced to worship with the fraternity.
I'll kickstart that after my Ofala and marriage. Inform the Grand Master about that.
Remember, Majesty, we can't wait for the one.
Tonight we celebrate the new ruler of Odudu Kingdom. One who will be honored and respected by all.
Ijere shall rule by your side in might and strength. The fraternity shall back you up in whatever decisions you make. A sacrifice shall be expected of you annually. A sacrifice of blood.
I shall make my sacrifice annually. Now that I have accepted to make my sacrifice annually, can I make my first decree?
Yes, a very mandatory feat as the new ruler of Odudu Kingdom. This decree seals your authority over the throne.
Good. I decree, henceforth, this fraternity ceases to exist.
What?
Sit! I am still talking. The authority of this throne will now be singular to just the ruler and the king, not to any deity or coven. I dismantle this fraternity tonight.
Never! Never! This decree shall not stand before Ijele. It is hereby declared null and void. Ijele owns the throne.
No! I own the throne. My word is law.
The evil one is right here with us. Wanna be fine, can wanna refer. The evil one is here with us. Wanna be fine, can wanna refer.
This is not the fight of spears and guns. It is the fight of the spirits, and only those chosen by the gods shall prevail. The daughter of Okosimiri, you have done well.
You have done well.
How did she disappear like that? And the powers of Ijele still with her? Ijele left her the moment she ordered the decree. It is clear now that she has been playing with us. She was preparing ahead of time for this day to fool us all. For this that she has done, the crown no longer fits any member of King Maduka's family. It shall be taken away from them and handed over to another who is fit and shall be raised by Ijele.
All hail Ijele.
Ahum. Ahum. Ahum.
All hail Ijele.
Ahum. Ahum. Ahum.
All hail Ijele.
Ahum. Ahum. Ahum.
Young Prince, greetings from the Shrine of Okosini.
Visiting me without an invitation is a crime.
The matter at hand needs no invitation. I need you to come to the shrine as soon as possible. We have a lot to discuss.
Say whatever you want to say here. I don't like going out.
The realm of the spirits have ears. I cannot disclose any secrets here. If you want to know the truth about your throne, visit the shrine immediately.
How is your son, Obina? Where is he?
Obina Wam. Up one up. He went to the bush to check his trap. Now I hope there is no problem.
Oh, no problem at all. No problem. When he comes, please tell him you should see me. And it's very urgent. And please don't forget.
So bad, John. I will tell him, oh?
Okay. Okay, I have to be on my way.
So bad.
No.
Oh, okay. Bye-bye.
The crown does not belong to you. Hand it over now. Evacuate the palace immediately.
You have no right to this kingdom anymore.
The throne of Odudu Kingdom belongs to Ijele fraternity.
Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Your Majesty!
All hail Ijele fraternity!
Ahum! 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 Ahum!
Nigerian fraternity.
All the time, they want sacrifice.
Get up, girl. We have somewhere to go.
All the time, they want sacrifice. Bachelor, all the time, they want sacrifice.
Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you, my
I'm
son?
fine, sir. My mother said you came looking for me.
Yes. Very well, no problem. I was told you went to the bush to check your traps. Hope you caught an elephant.
I did not catch anything today.
Don't worry. Because you assist you. Next time you catch it better.
Amen.
Yes. Have a strong feeling that you are a celibate. Is it true?
No. Why would you want to know? What kind of question is that?
Young man, my question is a yes or no answer. Are you a virgin or not?
Yes, I'm a virgin. I've never been with any woman before.
Very good. How would you feel if you become the next Igwe of this kingdom?
No. You know that's not possible now. How can I be the next Igwe? No, it's not possible.
Do you know who you are talking to here? And do you know who the kingmaker of this kingdom? Are you interested, yes or no?
No, I'm sorry. I don't mean to doubt you, but I'm just overwhelmed.
Okay. For your information, I and the cabinet, we have come to a conclusion and decided that we'll make you the next Igwe of this kingdom.
But what about the prince and Princess Anna? You know how brutal they are. You know, they cannot just sit back and watch me take over their father's throne.
I and the cabinet, we are giving you the opportunity of becoming the next king of this kingdom. If you are interested, you let me know so we know the next thing to be done.
Okay, I'll think about it.
Very good. Thank you. And remember, young man, time is of essence.
Abalakibeya! 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 Okechala agwọ! Agwọ tụrụ mbe. Okpokolia. Abalakibeya.
It has been revealed what can be done to end the coven. But it's not an easy route.
Great one. Say whatever it is, I am willing.
The coven, the fraternity, was built by the blood of the royal family. And only a royal blood can destroy it.
Royal family. Wait, hold on. My brother and I are the royal blood left. What are you talking about? Wait. One of us will have to die for the freedom of the throne?
Mom.
What is keeping him?
Patience. He will be here.
What is this betrayal doing here?
Fate brought you both here.
This rift between you must end today.
Listen, if you are trying to reconcile me and this betrayer, it will not work. I am out of here.
Ojadike, your mother was offered as a sacrifice to the fraternity by your father.
Excuse me?
I thought she died a natural death.
Oh no. She did not die a natural death. She was offered to quench the taste of the blood-sucking demon. If this fraternity continues, more innocent lives will be lost. So you need to keep your rift aside, work together and end this. You must fight your common enemy.
You don't understand it. She joined the fraternity. She connived with them to steal my birthright, which is the throne. So how am I supposed to trust such a person?
Yes, I joined the fraternity. I joined for a reason. I joined so the fraternity can be abolished immediately I get crowned.
Now you are crowned. Have you abolished them? You are now crowned. Have you abolished them?
But I made an attempt. At least I went toe to toe with them. What did you do? You were fighting the wrong enemy. Stop fighting me. I am not your enemy. Let us come together and bring this fraternity down.
Obina, you are back and you didn't tell me. What was your discussion with Ono?
Mama, it's very complicated. If I tell you, you won't believe it.
I'm curious. Please tell me, I want to know.
He wants to make me king. The king of this village.
He wants to make you the king of this village? For what? Okagimezi?
I don't know. But he sounded very serious. He was very serious about it.
What about the prince and his sister? Are they no longer alive to take the throne?
That was the same question I asked him. I asked him this same question. He just waved it off. He didn't even give me a good answer.
And what did you tell him?
I haven't given him a befitting answer yet. I think I will accept it.
You will do what?
Yes, I'll take the throne.
You will do no such thing. I smell trouble. Tell him to give the crown to another person. Tell him you are not interested. Eh? Okay. Obina, what the kuche radin ya?
Mama, I'm still thinking about
it. You're still thinking. Each of you no. Eh? Don't worry, let me go back.
Listen, brother. I never meant for any of this to happen. Me advising you to get laid was from a deep concern. I accepted the throne because I wanted to abolish the fraternity, which I have done. I don't need the crown. You can have it. You've always wanted it. The throne has always been yours, so have it.
Thank you very much. Accidental. Yeah.
This battle is because of the
Thank you very much.
Why can't we join hands together?
Let us bring them down for all the good for our family.
These evil people.
You're welcome.
We are one flesh and blood. Let us join hands together. Fight them out.
Ijele. Obina. Ijele wishes to see you now.
Declare your loyalty before Ijele. Declare his supremacy over your life and up to your 4th generation. Declare his powers over the kingdom and the crown that shall be placed on your head.
I declare the supremacy of Ijele over my life and up to my 4th generation. I declare his power over the throne and the entire village at large.
Our new king has been born. Now take, drink this calabash. Take. All hail Ijele. All hail Ijele.
I won't take it. You cannot decide for me now. You cannot decide for me. I'm man enough to take my own decision. I have given this a thought and I want to be king.
Obinna, and you think this works well like that? Eh? Obinna, I don't trust these men. This kingship entails trouble. And I don't want you to be at the middle of it at all. I told them, Obinna.
You think I care? I don't care about that. Now, there are so many positive things to look out for, but instead you are looking out for the negative things in this. This is a blessing from the gods. Just look at it. When I become king, we'll no longer be poor. The status of our family will change. This is a blessing from the gods, Mama. I must accept it.
Look at your mouth. Obinna, shut up your mouth. Your man said you will not take the crown. Imam where Imam be Obinna. Why you? Why you of all people in this village, Obinna?
Mama, that's the same question anybody will ask himself. Why me? Yes, but it's not my fault. The gods chose me.
They should choose someone else, not you.
The gods chose me. Mama, I must be king. You cannot decide for me. I've taken my decision already.
Which god choose you?
I've taken my decision.
Obinna,
you better start preparing for my coronation because I have chosen to be king.
Obinna, you will not be the king. It's me and you in this house, Obinna. Hey, we shall see. It's me and you in this house. Look at you. Daniel, what a beautiful blessing.
Where is our majesty? Where is our majesty? Where's the majesty?
Sir, step back! Step back!
What is wrong with you? I'm not here for you. I want to see her majesty.
And who is asking?
Who are you? I'm not here for you. I want to see her majesty.
Sir, step back.
Ah, good, she's here. Take that thing away from my face.
What is going on?
Her Majesty, I have come to inform you that Ijele has chosen a new heir to the throne. You are therefore given 24 hours, with my lips, 24 hours to vacate this palace.
Oh no, you are a fool. A compound one at that. Listen, you should know by now I am not the one that easily backs down. Let me ask you, what will happen if we don't evacuate this property after 24 hours? What?
Her Majesty, let me warn you. Ijele is not one to be challenged. You will end up eating your own words by yourself. Yes!
No one is leaving this palace for your so-called deity. This is our father's property. Unless your fraternity is ready to forcefully chase us out of this place. This is our father's property, I repeat. We are going to return it and the throne as well.
Her Majesty, let me warn you, Her Majesty. Ijele is not one to be challenged. Otherwise, you will end up eating your own words yourself.
Keimanka Gimakozo.
The evil one is right here with us. Wanna be fine, get back, I wanna river. The evil one.
So I have a best friend as a king. Hey, Chineke. I cannot wait to start raising my shoulder around in this village. All the girls are running after me. Hey, bro.
Can you imagine? You see your life. Of all the things you can think about is just women. Guess.
Is it easy? Is it easy to be a friend to a king? All the girls that are making shakara for me in this village, they will be humbled soon. Eh? It's not easy now.
Look, Chike, it's not as easy as you think. In fact, I'm confused right now. I don't even know if I'm making the right decision.
What's confusing you?
My mother does not support me. She doesn't want me to take the throne. She thinks there's a hidden agenda that I don't know anything about. And come to think of it, the children of our late Igwe, they are still alive. How can I face those brutal children of our late Igwe? What if they decide to push for a fight? How can I face them?
I thought you told me the gods Igwe chose you for this. So why are you shaking like a hen drenched in the rain? Your mother's want holds no water. And for the record, anybody that wants to stop you from being the king, we have me to contend with. I'm with you fully on this. Bro, don't worry. You'll be the king.
Chike, thank you very much.
You're welcome, my brother. You're welcome.
Those people have refused to vacate the palace. Talk less of releasing the crown.
Those people are very stupid. If they want brute force, we'll give it to them. Who the hell do they think they are?
Wait, Chike, how do we fight a whole family? A royal family for that matter?
Leave it to me, Obi, now. I have my plans crested out. By the time I'm done with them, they will abandon the throne and of course themselves.
Obina, I like this your friend. I like men with action. He is proactive. He sees the future and makes plans to execute them at the appropriate time. Young man, you go far.
Thank you, no.
Nice one. Having said that, let me tell you, everything and anything you need to making sure that this mission is successful. Don't hesitate to ask me. Whatever it takes, you get it ready at the appropriate time.
Not I don't know.
Nice one, nice one.
Thank you very much, you know. We'll start living now.
Go well. Ijele will protect and guide you.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Olowu is here again with some guys.
Good. Let him come as many times as he wants. Let him in.
Yes.
I am Obina Akeze, and I'm here to take the throne, which rightfully belongs to me.
Yes. I told you that the fraternity has chosen a new heir to the throne. He has come to take what rightfully belongs to him. Please give him the crown.
Sit.
Obina, sit down.
It's your
turn. Rightful heir to the throne. Sit down.
Sit.
I don't know what. Sit on
The
your
rightful
throne.
heir to the throne. Sit down. Obina! 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 What's the matter? Obina!
What's happening?
Obina! Obina! What's happening? Let's go.
up the mess.
What's going to happen?
Obinna, nwa m dị ya. Obinna! Ewu! Obinna! Obinna, what? Obinna! Obinna, what happened to you? Obinna, no. Obinna, mama. Obinna. Aranese, but I know so. What happened to my son? Obinna, no. Obinna, who did this to you? Who did this to my son? Who did this to my son? Obinna, no. Obinna, your mom is here. No, you never been here. Oh no, you've killed my son. What have you done to deserve this?
Calm down. Kill your son. How?
Oh no, you planted the seed of being a king inside. Now he's dead. Oh no, will you kill me? Go and carry his dead body. Oh no. Where's the kid? Oh no, will you kill me? Oh no, will you kill me?
The evil one is here with us. I wanna be if I can make a river. Fracture all the time.
Obinna, my son. Hi. What is there to live for? Obaspanulu na nondu. Okarala mwana walawu. I'll just hang myself and die together with my son.
This world we are living, evil people is everywhere.
Her Majesty, you could please save my life. Spare my life. Remember, we belong to the sake of fraternity.
To hell with the fraternity.
All the time, royal sacrifice, royal. We should be careful.
Jelly, we cannot stand and watch everything we have built crumble. No! Enough is enough. Enough is enough. The offsprings of Igwe Maduka must die. They must die today. They have become a thorn in our flesh. We cannot accept this. They must die!
The evil one is right here with us. One of the evil one is here with us. I wanna be if I can make a wanna river. All the time they want sacrifice. All the time they want sacrifice.
You were saying something about our late father's
How do we prepare for the proper funeral of the father?
Well, that belongs critical thinking and planning. It's not something we mentioned.
You have caused the fraternity a great deal of loss. You should have been killed. You wonders before you were born.
That was your greatest mistake. I warned you. I warned you that your coven has no place in this kingdom.
100 of you cannot stop Ijele. Ijele! 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 Ah!
Are you okay? Are you okay? Son, take it easy. You are who they laugh. You are who they laugh. Show your face. Show your ugly face if you are man enough.
Prince Decay, you will join your father first, but not as a hero, but as a disgraceful son.
You are too small to decide what happens to me. No.
Throw your blood for the throne, for the entire kingdom and generations to come.
Listen. You can't die on me. This was not our agreement.
The throne was meant to be your birthright, my brother. Promise me. Promise me you will rule with love and kindness. Promise me you will uphold truth and justice. Promise me you'll be a better king and a better man than you were yesterday.
Please don't do this. I don't want to be alone.
You are not alone. Just promise me. Promise me. Oh.
All the time, they want sacrifice.
No.
All the time, they want sacrifice. Bachelor, all the time, royal want sacrifice. Royal. We should be careful in this world we are living. Evil people is everywhere. Your opinion is never the opinion. Evil foundation.
The gods are finally in control. The era of evil has been extinguished. The gods has crowned their heir. The king of Fodudu, Igwedike Maduka, you are now the king of the kingdom. Arise and
all the time, they want sacrifice. All the time, they want sacrifice. Bachelor, all the time, royal want sacrifice. Royal.